For over 75 years, HVAC contractors have trusted Baker Distributing for supplying only the highest quality HVAC-R equipment, parts, and supplies, and staying at the forefront of industry technology. We exist to support the growth of our contractor partners by helping them learn about and access some of the most advanced energy-efficient HVAC systems in the world. We understand by doing so, our partners can help their customers conserve energy, save money, and play a part in driving transformative change for our planet by steering it towards a healthier, lower carbon future. One excellent example of how we are doing this is by showcasing the benefits of transitioning from an older centralized HVAC system to a more flexible and efficient variable refrigerant flow system. We've recently invested in installing a new VRF multi-system from GREE, a global HVAC leader, at our headquarters in Jacksonville. In addition, we're using RectorSeal RHS series surge protection and voltage monitoring to protect our new equipment. VRF systems can be used for commercial or residential purposes. Unlike a traditional ducted HVAC system, where a single outdoor unit circulates conditioned air or cold water throughout all zones of a building, a VRF system offers a far more efficient, environmentally friendly, and flexible solution that features decentralized individual zone control. Relying on refrigerant instead of water-based cooling, the VRF system eliminates the need for water use. With no chillers or coils, it is quick, responsive, and adaptive to conditions. Its advanced fresh air DC inverter compressors allow the compressor motor to run at variable speeds depending on the specific requirements of each zone, helping it conserve energy. Heating and cooling of separate zones can occur simultaneously, allowing the system to use heat recovery from one zone to another for increased energy efficiency and personalized comfort from space to space. Users can switch between air conditioning and fresh air functions, and the system utilizes the latest state-of-the-art photocatalytic filtration technology that eliminates 99.9% of airborne bacteria and contaminants to purify air quality. VRF systems are smaller, quieter, and easier to install. They eliminate the need for ducting, saving installation time and costs, and can be concealed in drop ceilings or wall-mounted. To maintain the security, function, and longevity of our new GREE VRF system, we have installed RSH series surge protection, which will protect our equipment from electrical surges, brownouts, and other voltage disturbances. At Baker, we're utilizing VRF technology because it is cleaner, healthier, and more energy and cost efficient, and ultimately more cost effective and profitable for our contractor partners. That's why we wanted to share our latest news with you, and why at Baker, we'll never stop looking for new ways to improve.